Is my mic plugged in? Sis, is my mic plugged in? Is my mic plugged in? Like, is it though? Okay, wait. Yeah, I think my mic's plugged in. Okay. Anyways, hi sisters. Oh my god. I'm gonna crush my headphones. My sweater. Oh. Okay. Hi Safi. Hi Saffies. I'm here with Rin. Say hello. I must bring my charger over here urgently. So give me a second, guys. You know how y'all doing? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, everybody. So I have my phone plugged in. We Gucci. We got Rin with us. The worst Karens ever. Yes, we have the epicest Rin. AKA, I'm just a trash bag. Guys, also go subscribe to her on YouTube.
Wait, Cat. Okay, wait, Cat.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay. Also, guys, don't forget to go subscribe to Rin, which I'll put her channel name in the description. She does a lot of gacha content.
No, literally my whole channel is gotcha.
Yeah. So, if you like gacha, go check that out. Do it. Do it. Subscribe to her channel or I will eat all your beans and chicken nuggets.
I want to play a distant memory.
Okay.
No, it's vlog.
Okay. So today I'm letting Rin choose what games we play.
Yeah, she left me sometimes because she goes late swimming, and I really don't mind. But sometimes
I like swim. But since I left her for a little while, I decided
it's the game we play.
But yeah, so I just decided, you know what? Why not just let Rin choose a few games that we're going to be playing in today's video? So she
By the
gets...
way, all of these are scary games because scary games are the best.
Yeah! Sorry. Okay. But yeah, so... also, comment below if you guys want, like, to see more scary games or, like, games I really haven't played on the channel. Or, like, just any content in particular. If you want to see, like, a Minecraft video. You know, comment. Yes, Billy. Sorry, guys.
Billie Eilish. Okay, let's play lyrics. Wait, before I'm gonna join this. I'm gonna see the server. Only one. I need multiplayer.
By the way, I'm just gonna close that. Okay.
I only have scary games that only one player can play.
Oof, we can't play together.
Well, I mean, we're both gonna get the same experience.
Oh, true. But we can't play together. It's sad. Well, what if we play body first?
No, body is not scary.
Okay. That's something scary. Scary. But also not anxiety because that's too challenging. That's a literal challenge for me.
Those are Sundown Island.
Nor Isolator. Oh, guys, by the way, in our next video, I'm gonna ask Rin what she wants to play. But in a little while after this video, and we've played all games she wants to play, we might play Piggy or... I don't know, how about, like...
Body?
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I might play Piggy, or I might play, like, I don't know, Super Drama Island. No, Total Drama Island, because I've seen, like, a lot of videos about them. So maybe we'll try to get the Piggy true ending in the next video, or we'll go and test out,
Oh wow, the true ending is very hard.
I know, but I know how to get it. But also, guys, another thing we're going to be doing is we're probably gonna make a Total
Can I
Drama
tell you
Island
guys-
video.
Can I tell you guys how to get it?
Yeah.
Real quick.
Go ahead.
So firstly, you need to go on chapter 9, and then you need to pick bot and player for the piggy. Then you're gonna find a paper under a purple part,
Yeah.
not a magenta, purple. Then there you're gonna once you finish the map. When you're done, you're gonna finish the other map that will be the chapter 12 map. That's like the newest. Then when you're done that, the game is gonna see that you already got it, and it's gonna do its stuff, and then you're gonna get the secret ending. Yay!
So yeah, guys, I hope y'all can hear her. I'm gonna try my best to do everything I can to make it so y'all can hear her, because it would be depressing if you guys couldn't hear her. I'm just gonna put the mic with my phone, put them really close near each other. So yeah. Okay. Anyways.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay.
My foot hurts. Ew.
I love how you're just like, my foot hurts. Ew.
Yeah.
Just ew, my foot hurts. And it is really silly, guys. It is silly. Okay.
This short is the Roblox scary.
Also, guys, comment below if you want the next episode of, I don't know what it's called. Wait, we gotta look up what it's called.
I know what it's gonna be called.
Oh yeah, guys,
Scary.
leave a comment. No, also guys, if you want to request anything, if you guys would like to see a part 2 for Anna Banana the Chaotic Killer, please let me know, cause I'd love to do a part 2 later.
It's been like 1 year since we did Anna Banana the Chaotic.
Yeah, but let's just make the second part now. Like,
Yeah, let's just skip this scary thing and just
what if we make like a huge series out of it?
Forever Alone scary horror game. It isn't that scary horror, you said it. FNAF games.
Oh God.
So, Kat, can you help me find something scary?
Yes. Here, I'm gonna type in scary games on the search.
I wish we could play Flamingo scary games. It's just those games are just like for one player. I'm gonna look through the games that Flamingo played. Roblox
Scary games. Scary game. I'm just gonna type in scary game and see what comes up.
I wrote up scary.
Oh, horror game. Warning.
The first game that shows up is literally. Ooh, I found Backroom Investigation.
There's Cartoon Cat. New Granny the Scary. The way that sounds in my head is hilarious. Like Flamingo saying that. Look at her chin though. Terrain game, scary version, hollow horror, scary horror. These are all really
scary Roblox games.
Yeah, I
top
can't look at
5
these.
Scary Roblox games. Which is gonna be the first one? I wanna put it in.
Guys, note
top
to
5.
self, don't type in creepy scary games on Roblox search bar, cause horrifying images will come up.
Top 5 games. We can play all of them today, can't we?
Probably, but I only have 15 minutes to do that, and we're 9 minutes in! We're
Okay,
9 minutes in.
What is the first game?
I want to play Body because it's a multiplayer game. And it's pretty creepy. Scary.
Okay, give me.
Okay, I'll join you. Give me your
What is the
money.
name of the
Sorry, I
game?
gotta check on an ad.
Pat, why don't you just search this up in the Roblox game catalog? It's Stop It Slender.
Is that just what I do?
Let me write it. Let me write it.
But why?
It's the top 10 scariest. Top 5, I mean. Stop it, Slender. Stop it, Slender. Stop it, Slender. What is the... I can't find these games! Ugh! You need a good one.
Here, we'll just do this later. Okay, so, hi. 5 Robux.
Oh yeah, it's just Slender Man, literally.
Oh,
Okay, wait, the Maze Runner.
just pick a game.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna play the Maze Runner.
Okay, give me a minute, guys. I gotta go get more juice. Yeah.
Okay, I think we have to restart.
Man, but I still want to upload this video.
Wait, let me search up scary.
You know what, guys? We're gonna end it off here, but I'm gonna post a video about us playing the scary games because we're 11 minutes in, and I only have 15 minutes to record. You know, so yeah, like and subscribe.
Chrissy, we gotta find the scary game.
That is if you want. And please, most importantly, hit the notification bell and comment what you want to see next, even though you probably don't want to see anything come back to my channel, cause my videos are junk. Anyways, guys, I am.
You're gonna delete that film, right?
I am the bean leader, and
Just wait, guys. We're not gonna actually leave. We're just gonna find a scary game.
But yeah, guys,
I really didn't
we're
think
gonna
about it.
post another video about us playing this.